My limited knowledge convinces me that there are only two ways to grow on YouTube, one being the authentic way, and the other being what I like referring to as the crude way, or cheating your way to success. Well, let's start with the authentic way. These are usually the same boring steps that every YouTuber tells you to follow in order to see success on this platform. Some water would be great right now. First things first, you need a great topic that is interesting to the viewers. See, if the topic isn't interesting, it doesn't matter how well the video is produced and packaged. At the end of the day, nobody's gonna watch it, so it won't perform well. You know what I'm saying? But having a great topic isn't everything. You still need an enticing thumbnail and title. These are the most important things as they advertise your video to the viewers. You want the enticing title and thumbnail to invite people to click on your video. And we all know, a click equates a view. I think my mathematics teacher will be very proud of me for saying that. Well, maybe not always, but almost always. Sounds like the teacher won't be too proud. According to YouTube, one has to watch a video for at least 30 seconds for that view to count. So if they click and they watch just like the first 3 seconds then click off, that won't count as a view. You dig what I'm saying? Number 3 is you need a great story. The story has to be told in an authentic manner with good pacing to keep the viewers hooked. A great topic with poor storytelling will not perform. Keeping the viewers hooked will make sure that the clicks equate to views, and that's the goal. Now let me give you an example. There's this video here by a YouTuber called I Understood. That's a great name. That's a dope name. I like it. If you look at the thumbnail, maybe not the best in terms of image quality, but it gets your attention and you either want to click the video or proceed to reading the title. In my case, I wanted to read the title, which was Your Fear of Being Seen is Only Proof It's Your Calling. And now I was like, tell me more, girl. You know what I'm saying? Because it's captivating. So I clicked the video.
Not everyone feels the desire to share themselves and put themselves out there like this.
Straight off the bat, I was like, that's super overexposed. The lighting is completely off. But a video of such poor quality hit over 100k views on a channel with just like 20k subs. That's impressive. Despite seeing how poor the quality of the video was, I still found myself watching the video anyway. But you might ask yourself, why? There are 2 reasons. One being the audio quality was great, and I didn't click the video because I wanted to see her pretty face, but rather because I wanted to hear what she had to say, and she delivered on her audio.
The point of that longing, the point of that desire is not any outcome, but the transformational journey of healing that you would need to walk in order to stay on that path.
Secondly, I judged her lighting because I am a cinematographer who understands lighting very well, meaning I can see the mistakes, but I'm pretty sure 99% of viewers have no idea about lighting, which leads us perfectly to the 4th point. Once you have a great topic, title, thumbnail and storyline, you have to get your audio right. It doesn't matter how good your video quality is. If the audio is bad, people are going to automatically click off the video and we won't be able to achieve our goal of equating a click to a view. The 5th and final thing is the video quality. See, this latest video might have gotten 100k views in just 2 months, but imagine if the video quality will be better, then I guess she would have gotten maybe, I don't know, maybe 200 or 300k. She's very articulate in the video and sounds like someone who has been doing it for a long time. So just a small improvement to her video quality and thumbnail photos will bring her even more attention, in my opinion. Well, following the genuine and authentic way of growing on YouTube can be pretty tough. And like growing in every other field that you want to grow authentically, you'll have to trust the process. It's gonna take a lot of time and effort to achieve success using this method, and it's very easy to give up. But on the flip side, if you manage to create an audience using this method, you'll be setting yourself up for success. Now I'm sounding like a guru. But not everyone likes to follow the rules of the game. Some people break the rules and end up becoming successful, while others end up in jail. Just be careful. Look, there are 4 ways of becoming a millionaire. 1 is by inheriting money or being given for free. 2 is by working hard and making smart moves. 3 is through luck, for example, winning a lottery or participating in a MrBeast video. While the other is by doing something illegal and hoping you never get caught. If you successfully manage to pull the 4th method, congratulations, you did it. But if you're caught, then you're on your own. Now let me stop rambling and put you all up on game. But just as a disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only, and I won't be held accountable for any actions that you decide to take. Now we can proceed with the video, shall we? If you've got some money to throw around, you might as well invest in YouTube ads. There are different types of YouTube ads. The most common ones are the in-stream ads. These are the ones that appear at the beginning of a video. They're very effective for generating views, but not for engagement. I once ran ads for a music video in my other channel, and despite gaining over 180,000 views on the video, I got less than 100 new subscribers and less than 150 comments. So I wouldn't recommend them if you're trying to create an audience. But then there are the in-feed ads. These are the ads that appear on the homepage, search page, and as recommended videos. They're the most effective ads in terms of creating an audience for yourself. Although this method won't generate a lot of views like the in-stream ads, it will generate more likes, subscribers, and comments, giving your channel the potential to grow. But just a disclaimer, the number of watch hours that you get from ads won't be counted when you're looking to get monetized on YouTube. So you still need 4,000 hours of organic watch time. But if you just want to gain 1,000 subscribers, this method will work for you. The downside of ads is that the audience is likely not going to be loyal to you. You might run an ad today, gain 10k views and 400 new subscribers, but if you post tomorrow, those 400 subscribers won't even check out your new video.
It sucks.
So, what way is more effective? Running Facebook ads for your content is the best non-organic way to grow on YouTube. If you can successfully create Facebook ad campaigns for your content and pull an audience to YouTube, you might just be on your way to YouTube stardom. But before you run and throw all your life savings at Mark Zuckerberg, let me explain something. It ain't that easy. I have run Facebook ad campaigns for music videos before, and although most of them have been super effective, this method has its own downsides. First of all, the ads are too expensive. You'll spend so much money to get a significant amount of views. Sometimes it's like the traffic from Facebook confuses the YouTube algorithm when it's trying to find the right audience for your content and kind of stops pushing your video out. But I'm not sure about that. I just feel like that's the way it works sometimes. So if you decide to take this route, just know that the impressions might be affected. But will it get you new views and subscribers? Yes. The only problem is the method isn't sustainable unless you have so much money to throw around. There are actually lots of people who create YouTube channels, grow an audience, then sell them. So you can just buy a ready-made channel in your preferred niche and start creating content. The problem is some of these channels are stolen through hacking, something that might get you into big trouble. The other problem is if the audience is used to the original owner or the original creator, it's gonna be extremely hard or difficult to convince the existing audience to fall in love with you or to like your style of content. The other problem that may arise is the fact that the numbers on the channel might actually be fake, or the entire thing might end up being a scam and you end up losing your money. A lot of YouTubers in the 2010s used this method to get views, but since the algorithm has changed, the only way to succeed using this method is by delivering on your promise and your clickbaity title or thumbnail, or else people will click off the video pretty fast, and this will harm your watch time. Again, the goal is to equate that click to a view. You can also make the viewer feel as if you delivered what you promised in your thumbnail and title, even if you did not. And the only way to do this is by making sure that the content is actually too good for them to be disappointed and click off. But with this method, you have to be careful not to ruin your credibility and reputation. Well, you can actually use this method to cheat your way into YouTube success. But how? You might ask. Well, buying YouTube views and subs is illegal, and your account might be terminated if you're found doing it. But some people have done it effectively. Now, how does this work? For example, you create a video on a hot trending topic. People will be searching for videos on this particular topic. I don't know if buying views will increase your ranking in the search page, but all I know is that people tend to click on videos that have more views than the others. So this way, you might hope that people pick your video and find it interesting or informative enough to subscribe to your channel, hence creating an authentic audience in return. But if YouTube discovers anything suspicious, they might remove the fake views, delete the video, or ban you from YouTube completely. But if you're lucky, you might just have cheated your way into YouTube stardom. You feel me? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Whichever way you use this information is up to you. So pick up your favorite method and go chase your YouTube dream. I'm rooting for you. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, or rather like this video and consider hitting that subscribe button. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Blessings.